Today we are making dandelion honey. First, we are going to collect the flowers of the dandelions. It is very important that you only pick flowers that you know haven't been treated with or exposed to any chemicals. Next, we are going to separate the yellow petals from the green parts of the plant. Add water, dandelion petals, and lemon to a saucepan and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Let the flowers and the lemons steep in the water for 5 to 6 hours. Now use a cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the solids. Lastly, add liquid to the stovetop and bring to a low boil. Stir in your sugar and lower your heat to a simmer for about 1 hour or until the liquid thickens to a syrup consistency. You can use dandelion honey on your baked goods, on ice cream, or as a sweetener in your tea.